We're currently in quite a unique, beautiful position where we're a sector that's providing food to a lot of people, jobs to a lot of people, bringing a lot of income into South Africa. And of course, with that comes the challenge of making sure that every square inch that you farm is optimized. And that's where the technology plays a massive role.
Aerobotics is a computer vision and AI company for agriculture. We use drones and smartphone technology to collect imagery across the farm and then turn that into actionable data and insights for the farmer to optimize their crop. So we started the SkyBugs part of our business, which uses drones to actually drop beneficial insects into the crop, which then eat the bad insects that are damaging the crop, but without using any hard pesticides.
The drone can release about 20 hectares worth of beneficial insects in about 12 to 13 minutes. It flies at an altitude between 20 and 30 meters, and it can fly up to 4 meters per second wind speeds. The purpose is for the control of mealybug, which is a pest found in grapes.
Traditionally, a farmer would use calipers or go and have a look at the fruit to try and measure it. Now we're able to scale that out across big areas and also standardize it. So the same technology is used to measure across many different farms, and there's no bias in the collection.
Every year, technology is playing a bigger role. But for me, the most important thing is as long as we can do it on our smartphones. If we need to go to a computer or office, for me as a farmer, it's wasting time. So with an app, that's what we as growers are looking for.
I think the biggest role technology plays is most of our growers are faced with the challenge of how do they use what they have and make more of it.
I'm always most excited when we speak to a customer and we just hear what impact it's making on the farm and how things have changed for them, and obviously how they're getting more fruit from the farm through to the table.